Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your DOOGEE S70, at first you have to open the settings. Next, you have to scroll down for sound options. And as you can see, at first we can adjust media, alarm and ringtone volume by moving this slider on the left or right side. We can also activate vibration for calls. In this place we can find the Do Not Disturb mode that we can customize and turn on. Below we'll find ringtone for SIM first and the second. In the advanced setting we can also change notification and the alarm sounds. And below we can find other sounds and vibration options where we can adjust them by tapping on the switchers just like that. In this place we can also find emergency tone, so we can pick silent, vibrate or alert, and sound enhancements, so we can activate or deactivate bass loudness, so that's basically the volume booster for the speaker. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.